In this video, we will be learning how to distribute payments. Click on the Totals button on top of the main window. Click on Edit. Then using the Tab key, move to the different boxes and enter in the info as needed. Some of these fields should already be filled in by the service advisor. Just tab through the boxes. This way you won't miss any fields. It will take you to every box that might need something entered. Under Payment Notes, enter anything that might be notable. Keep tabbing through till you get to the distribution row. As you can see, there is already a copay inserted on the warranty row. When you get to the warranty column, click the down arrow, click on the manufacturer warranty, in this case it's Toyota, then tab to customer row. Click the down arrow and pick a payment type. As you can see, when this is done, the final money due in the RO total column will be 0. Click OK, and you are done. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to distribute payments.